Hello for another review. It's Alex722 again. Here is a double review of, because this is my last Transformers Prime figure, and I might as well shove it in here. And I've got another one, another Transformer as well from Hunt for Decepticons. Here is the vehicon, in Legion class vehicon, and we got Deluxe. Battlefield Bumpy from the 2-pack. This was with Infiltration Soundwave, I showed you last time the Soundwave review. I'll start off with the vehicon. Let me just take off his weapon. Nice vehicle mode. Not a lot of paint. That side should have a lot of paint. The back is no better, but due to the transformation, it's featured in black. Nice detail on the side, there's holes in it, there's nice paint there. Yeah. So yeah, this is mainly, the colours on this are mainly purple, grey and black, a lot of black. We'll do spin. Yeah. Transformation for this is quite easy, but you might, if you pick this up, be careful because of the these pop out continuously. It depends how much you play with it. Transformer, you slide these up on the hinge, pop this out, and you see a little tab here, and you best to go. There's a little knocking. Split the legs. There you have your vehicon. That head, it is a quite nice head, and the chest is nice, but look at that. And he doesn't stand up properly. You have to get at the right angle to stand him up. And here's his weapon. Like the other Cyberverse figures, this is not the same quality as the second wave of them. This is like this is like rubbery plastic, if you kind of see that. But anyway, that can fit in his hand, in the side of his car mode, or on top of his roof, as I showed you on the start of the video. But nice detail anyway. It's nice gun. Nice translucent. I don't think you actually can hear me because I've got the fan on. Anyway, nice figure. You can pick it up, but if I were you, I would go with the Deluxe vehicon because it's a little bit better. Anyway, there's vehicon. Here is Battlefield Bumblebee. The Camaro. No Camaro, nothing different about it. But this one is a Battlefield one. If you flick these up panels up front of his car. And I think this was in a Cyber episode or something like that. And these were in. You get blasters. 2 shard blasters. That's it. That's Camaro. Painted rims. Dark kibble at the bottom now. This is mainly yellow. Well, basically not yellow, but mustardy colour. It's coming out as a darker yellow, but if you get this in hand, oh, actually you can see it now. That's not bright. That is mustard. On the camera it looks like it's proper yellow, but it isn't. It actually is mustard, decoloured. Anyway, here's the Camaro sign. Ship below, I think. The ship below Camaro. There's that side. They're going to put a lesson plate there. the other side, the other side, the front. Right, transformation, you pull out the doors, like any Bumblebee you have, you need to pull out the doors. You come from the other side, you grab this piece, the arm, and slide it, it will rotate the wheel, like that. And then flick its thumb out. Like that. You can keep its hand closed ever so slightly. And there goes the vehicon. Let me get the vehicon back there. I've got a big itch. Yeah. Again, same thing again. Let's do this off camera. Like that. The back is quite easy. Pull this piece and should extend. Grab these two pieces and then inside, fold them in. You pull the feet out. There's a little panel here. You pull that out like that. You rotate it. Pull it to extend the whole thing. Oh yeah, I'll show you the articulation for these two as well. So again, pop the panel, and pull it. I think it's Mech Alive or whatever it's called. Fucking shit. Anyway, next what you want to do is collapse the roof in like that. It's like that. Goes back. Push on the bottom of on the windscreen and pull this little tab. Push out the head. You've basically got a panel here. Flip that up and pull out his head. Next, just fold that against his body. You just click in from there's little tabs here. They're like clips. Okay, I don't care. There's little clips here. I got holes there. They're just snap in. But due to the legs, I normally do this. Okay. Anyway, here is Bumblebee. Battlefield Bumblebee. Nice Bumblebee. It's not the best Bumblebee. Articulation. I'm going to show you the articulation for him first, because I didn't show you it today. Ball joint for the old arm. There's nothing at the head. A little tilt. Do transformation. Ball joint. And a hinge. That's it. Our articulation. That's why I told you to get the deluxe. Anyway. The head. He's got his battle mask on. You can see he's got red eyes. Oh, he has. He's got red eyes. I did actually notice that. Autobot symbol there. I actually forgot to show that when it was in the vehicle. Articulation. You've got 360 due to the back wings. You can tilt them back like that and do it 360. Same with the other arm, 360 with the head. You can nod, say no, no yes. Ball joint, hinge, hinge here, but due to transformation this will bend. If you sit up, if I hold that there, there's the hinge. That's not the hinge. That's like half the hinge and then half the transformation, and the heel and tilt as well. Anyway, do I recommend buying the Battlefield Bumblebee? Actually, the two-part for Battlefield Bumblebee and the Infiltration Satellite. Yes, I do actually, because it is a quite nice set. Do I recommend the Cyberverse Commander? The Cyberverse vehicon? if you want to find some cheap vehicons, I would go with it. But if you want to find decent vehicons, I would go with the deluxe. They are bringing out a more figures for the Prime. I haven't picked none of them up. My mate's got Ratchet and some other figures. I haven't been uptown for the last how many weeks since my bus pass finished. Anyway, to end the video, the last time I came on, my two Bionicles, yes, were saying stuff about the Transformers update. It wasn't an update, it was just a level cap. He basically cancelled the update though. And this came out on the 10th. This was Friday. Yeah. Is the level cap actually worth actually playing it more? No. If you like the game, if you get the game first, no, the demo is quite nice. I have to agree. Sorry about that. It is quite good. Shall I be picking it up? Yes, I will. I will be picking up the proper game when on the 22nd, probably the 22nd or 21st, or the 23rd, because I can't pre-order it yet because of the whole parents on holiday and I can't get it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Just to say, if the 4 Cybertron toys do come over here, or come around here, yeah, as I said, come around here, I will pick them up, but the problem is we haven't had the Transformers generation toys. We couldn't get the Cybertron, Optimus, Bumblebee, or Megatron, or Soundwave. That was the big letdown. I really was sad about that actually because we never got them. My friends have got all of them, and I'm really very, very, very annoyed now. What should I pick up? I'll probably pick up Jazz or Shockwave. Not Optimus. Actually, probably Optimus, if I actually get him. But anyway, thank you for watching. Do not forget to rate and subscribe. If you want another video, you can just send a message down below, or send a message to me. I have about a couple more left of Transformers, and I will be coming soon. The next one will be on Wednesday, and there'll probably be an update on Friday. Yeah, be an update on Friday. Not Friday. Update on Thursday. Then another review on Friday, and then on the following Monday there will be a video then. But if I get my game early, like on the 24th or the 20th on the day, or Saturday, I will do a review. I will do a review because I like the Transformers now. It's the only Transformers actually what gave me a disappointment was. Some people might say that this was a disappointment. It wasn't a disappointment, but it was. I think the Dark of the Moon game for the Xbox 360 was quite crap, I have to say. But anyway, thanks for watching. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you again. Oh yes, and the reason why I couldn't edit this is because well, our laptop's broken. That's what we've been using for the videos, and I can't get. I'll probably get onto the computer next week because I don't have a clue what I'm doing on that computer at all. It's one of the game computers. But anyway, sorry about that. I've kind of went off track then. Anyway, as I just said, rate, comment, subscribe, and see you later. And bye.